Good morning, everybody. My name is Vinayak Nannuji, Jain College of Engineering, Belgaum. So today we are going to study about system limits, fits, tolerances, and in the last class, as you remember, we have studied clearance fit, interference fit, and transition fit. So today we shall see the different types of systems of fits. Those are first one is hole basis system, and the second one is shaft basis system. So in industries, we either use hole basis system or shaft basis system. So accordingly, we design the components depending upon which system we are going to use. So first we shall see what do you mean by hole basis system. So you can see the diagram over here. So we have the basic hole, that is a basic size, and then we have two different fits being given there. One is clearance fit and the another one is interference fit, and then we have the tolerance zone on the shaft, and then we have tolerance zone on the shaft for interference and clearance fits together. So in hole basis system, the hole dimensions are considered constant. Means what? The basic hole, we consider it as constant, and various types of fits are obtained by suitably varying the limit dimension of the shafts. As you can see, the shaft dimensions are varied, but the hole dimensions are kept constant. So this is one of the most commonly used type of system. So in most of the industries, we always go for hole basis system. So we'll know why exactly we do that. So here the hole basis system most commonly used because it is more convenient to make correct holes of fixed sizes. Since the standard drills are available, you have standard taps, reamers, broaches, etc., and you can make or drill holes at any point or at any dimensions given. So hence it becomes easy for us to standardize the hole, and then accordingly we change the dimensions of the shafts. Alright, so the sizes which are not adjustable, on the other hand, the shafts are produced by turning, grinding, and etc., which are or which can be easily varied. So in most of the cases, when we are manufacturing hydraulic cylinder, that is hydraulic units, so we go for honed tubes. Okay, so honed tubes in the sense which is already being honed, means what? The hole size is fixed. So we change the dimensions of the shaft, that is nothing but the ram. Okay, the ram is going to move inside the cylinder, and hence we can vary the shaft size very easily by turning operation and then grinding operation, and then after that we go for buffing, which is nothing but cleaning operation. Okay, and then we go for chrome plating of it. So in most of the industries we always go for hole basis system. Now we shall see the second, that is called as the shaft basis system. So in shaft basis system, as you can see in the diagram, the shaft dimensions or the limit dimensions of the shaft are kept constant, and we vary the dimensions of the hole. So here also you can see two different fits. One is the clearance fit and the another one is interference fit. So you can also see the tolerances on hole, okay, and tolerances on the interference fit. So in shaft basis system, the shaft limit dimensions are kept constant, and various types of fits are obtained by varying the limit dimensions of the hole. So here in the figure you can see both clearance and interference fit. So shaft basis system is used when the ground bars are or the drawn bars are easy or readily available. Okay, so we have standard shafts available that is already been ground or already been drawn. So in drawing operation we have cold drawing or hot drawing. So you have standard set dimension of the shaft like 25 mm diameter shaft, 50 mm diameter shaft. So shafts are available at standard dimensions. So whenever we are getting the standard shafts, we use shaft basis system. Okay, and these bars are or do not require further machining. So once we get a 25 mm bar, then it is as good as it is ready to use. So we need not go for any other operations on it. So whenever these types of ground bars are available, we always go for shaft basis system. So whenever we have dimensions which are not standard or non-standard dimensions are available, that time we go for the other system, that is called as the hole basis system, where we can vary the diameter of the shaft as and how required. Okay, so these two are called as the hole basis system and shaft basis system. Thank you.